Okay, this is just a quick explanation of what a throwable object is in EZPZ Toolkit. So let's go ahead and drag one of the throwable objects inside our scene. If we go to EZPZ Interaction Toolkit folder here, we go to prefabs and then we go to movables. We'll just go ahead and drag a gravity movable throw object in here. We'll just move that up so it's outside of the ground. And what this is basically it's something we can pick up and throw. Now we just go pick it up and then bounce it against things like that. So now it's not very interesting if we just bounce it against these domino looking things. The domino looking things don't react to it. It's like solid. If we wanted to change that, we can add a rigid body component to these objects. So basically in Unity, we can add rigid body components to them to make it be simulated in physics. And the way we do that is we select the object that we want, say add component, and then search for rigid body. Let me just go ahead and add it like that, and now this object will now be simulated in physics, and we can see that it'll drop to the ground instead of just flying or floating in the air like these other ones. So now you can see this is like a little bit lower, while there's a bit of a gap from the ground to the object for these other two. And if we hit it with a throwable game object, it now reacts. So yes, quick explanation of what a Unity rigid body is, and also a quick explanation of what a throwable object is. Thank you.